People always ask me, what makes your copywriting course different? What makes you different as a copywriting coach? Well, let's start out with the main things. Number one, we are the #1 ranked copywriting community on School. This is Alex Hormozi's platform that he co-founded with Sam Evans. When you type in the word copywriting into School's search engine, we come up first, and for good reason. Why would that be? Well, we're the only one that guarantees you get your first paid client in 90 days or your money back. There is no other copywriting program on earth that offers that guarantee. So there's literally zero risk. If you join today, you will get a paid client in 90 days or it is completely free. Nobody else can say that. Nobody else does that. And the cool thing is you're going to do this. And this is the other third unique thing. You're going to do this with just one outreach per day, even as a beginner. You don't need a portfolio. You don't need case studies of results. You don't need testimonials. You don't need a copywriting experience. You don't need a writing degree. You don't need business experience. None of those things matter. We're going to teach you exactly how to get your first client. The average person gets their first client in 30 days by sending one outreach per day. One high value outreach. Nobody else teaches this. This is why we're ranked #1 on School for copywriting communities. And if you go over here and just go to the wins column in the academy, check this out. We got another client signed by accident. Nathaniel just posted this. All right, David landed a $2,500 client. This is 13 days ago. Sajid, literally within 24 hours of joining the academy, he got his client. He got a first client for $480 for 4 emails. Okay. What else do we get? We got boom, 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 boom. Nathaniel got his first client 21 days ago. Kevin just closed out his first 10K month. That's in May. He just did that. So $10,000 a month. We got people landing clients left, right, and center. Blair got a client. He got another client a couple days later. Boom. So people are landing. And why would that be? It's because you get a complete 90-day roadmap. You're not left in the dust to try to figure things out on your own. You get, starting with the full course, you get an entire 6-figure copywriter course, phase 1 master copywriting. We got 70 videos teaching you in-depth consumer psychology, how to write copy, core frameworks, like basic human desires, the things that actually make people buy, ADA overview, PAS, how to write a sales page from scratch, how to write emails from scratch. You watch me write, then you write, how to pick your niche. Then we dive in here into phase 2 and you learn how to land clients from scratch, with the method that works best in 2026, which is my method, the Sniper Bomb system, which is a warm social media DM outreach system, which is 1 outreach per day in about 1 hour per day. Who the heck doesn't have time for that? You're going to go through here and learn the Sniper Bomb system. You're going to get access to Snipe Kit, my lead finder tool, exactly what to say to prospects, cheat sheets, checklists, templates, DM objection handling, how to do a sales call, exact scripts for the sales call, how to price match your services, how to land those clients, how to serve them, how to scale, AI copywriting prompts, how to write AI copy. You get AI copywriting coach, how to create lead magnets with AI, bonus stuff, bonus email courses, tons of stuff. So you don't just get the course, you get my coaching directly with you. Most other programs out there, you join their one-on-one coaching and their mentorships and all these things, and you never even actually see the guru. You never actually get to talk to the coach. You never actually get coached by coach. They hand you off to all these other people that you don't even know, and you're just thrown in. There's no personalization. It's actually me every single week coaching you. Check this out. Every single week we get to hop on a coaching call. The next one's in 24 hours. Every coaching call is recorded here. So if you miss a call, you get to watch the core recording back and hop in, ask questions live, get help in real time. Every single week, you get to hop on a coaching call. And every single week, guess what? You get writing feedback directly from me. Directly from me. Look at this. All these people submitting copy, getting video reviews from me. Video reviews every single week. Last week, the week before. The crazy thing is too, so you're guaranteed to get your first paid client in 90 days or your money back. Other programs who offer this course, coaching calls, writing feedback, you know what they're going to charge you for this, for what I'm giving you? They're going to charge you $1,000 a month. The average program out there, when they pitch you their inner circles and their coaching programs, you're going to get this and they're going to charge you $1,000 a month. Guess how much mine is? $119 a month. It is literally 10% of the cost of what everybody else is going to charge you for the same thing, and their guarantee isn't as good and their results aren't as good. So if you want to be part of something where you're actually getting results as a new copywriter, or you're looking into copywriting as a business model and you want to get started, you're not sure where to start, you want a simple step-by-step roadmap, I literally tell you what to do for 90 days straight. Watch this video, do this assignment, watch this video, do this action, boom, 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 for 90 days in a row. You don't even have to wonder what to work on for 90 days to get your first paid client in 90 days, and you're guaranteed to get it. So this is it. If you want proof of this stuff, click my link in bio now. Click the big yellow join button. If you want to see results, like go through, flip through the pictures here, see some of the results people are getting inside the academy. I've coached over 1,000 students. 1,000 people have paid me money to teach them copywriting. We are the #1 ranked copywriting community on school. We are the only one that teaches you how to get a client in 30 days using a study realm system to do 1 outreach per day. And we're the only one that guarantees you will get a paid client in 90 days or your money back, which is one of the reasons why we're ranked #1 on school. So if you want to be part of this and you want to actually go figure out how to land clients and build this business from scratch and be part of this community where you can ask questions every single day, share wins, be part of other people who are in this community too, sharing wins, sharing what's working for them, asking questions, getting answers, then click my link in bio now, join the 6-Figure Copy Academy today, and I'll see you on the inside.